Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by mapping income sources so you know what to optimize. List ads, sponsorships, merch, subscriptions, and affiliate links. Once done, record baseline metrics like views, watch time, engagement, and conversion rates so you have a measurable starting point. Make sure to set concrete goals, a monthly dollar target, audience size, and posting cadence, because goals guide choices. This first step lets you prioritize high ROI activities instead of chasing every monetization option at once. Now optimize each revenue stream. Increase CPM and CPV by niching content, boosting watch time, and improving ad placement and thumbnails. Simultaneously, negotiate sponsorship rates with clear packages, deliverables, and performance bonuses so you capture fair value. Once those are running, focus on recurring revenue, memberships, Patreon, channel subs, because steady income smooths volatility. Make sure to track per video profitability and attribution so you can double down on tactics that actually move the revenue needle. To finish, scale what works. Replicate top-performing formats, batch create content, and hire editors or managers to increase output without burning out. At the same time, handle finances responsibly, track earnings for taxes like Form 1099, and reinvest surplus into advertising or production to accelerate growth. If revenue stalls, troubleshoot. Inspect analytics for traffic drops, /B test thumbnails and titles, and diversify income streams so one loss doesn't cripple you. One key tip: if sponsorships disappear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.